everyone, welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks with me Guneet. So in this video today we'll be learning about some more basic terminology of Vedic Maths. One such term is complements. So complement of a number is sum of two or more numbers which adds up to the primary base number. So let's understand by taking an example. So now we have to find out the complement of 8. So now the first thing that we do is we first find out the next primary base number. So next primary base number to 8 is 10. So what should we add in 8 that it becomes 10? So complement will be 10 minus 8, which gives you 2. So the complement of 8 is 2. Now let's take an example of a two-digit number. So 36. So the next primary base to 36 is 100. So what should we add in 36 that it becomes 100? So here the complement will be 100 minus 36, which will be 64. So the complement of 36 is 64. So now let's understand this concept by taking more examples. Now let's find out the complement of 7. So next primary base to 7 is 10. So 10 minus 7, which gives you 3. So the complement of 7 is 3. Now 14. The next primary base to 14 is 100. So 100 minus 14, so which we get 86 as the complement. So the complement of 14 is 86. Now let's find out the complement of 86. So the next primary base to 86 is 100. 100 minus 86, which gives you 14 as the answer. Now let's find out the complement of 263. Since 263 is a three-digit number, so the next primary base to 263 will be 1000. So 1000 minus 263. Now for subtraction, we can use the first method, which is all from 9, last from 10, method 1. So here 10, last 0 is 10, rest all zeros as 9 and 1 minus 1. So 10 minus 3 gives you 7. 9 minus 6 gives you 3 and 9 minus 2 gives you 7. So the complement of 263 is 737. Now let's find out the complement of 1578. Since it's a four-digit number, so the next primary base to it will be 10,000. So 10,000 minus 1578. So the complement of 1578 will be 2. 9 minus 5 gives you 4 and 9 minus 1 gives you 8. So the complement of 1578 will be 8422. Now let's find out the complement of 6193. So the next primary base will be 10,000. So 10,000 minus 6193. Now 10 minus 3 gives you 7. 9 minus 9 gives you 0, 9 minus 1 gives you 8, and 9 minus 3 gives you, 9 minus 6 gives you 3. So 3807. So the complement of 6193 is 3807. Now let's take the complement of 14,365. Now the next primary base to 14,365 is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus 14,365. So here also we will use all from 9, last from 10 method for subtraction. So last 0 is 10, 9, 9, 9, 9, 1 minus 1. 10 minus 5 gives you 5, 9 minus 6 gives you 3, 9 minus 3 gives you 6, 9 minus 4 gives you 5, 9 minus 1 gives you 8. So the complement of 14,365 is 85,635. So let's now understand another terminology of Vedic maths, which is deviation. So deviation of a number is number minus the nearest primary base number. So now let's understand more by taking an example. So here the number is 17. So the nearest primary base number to 17 is 10. So the deviation is number minus the nearest primary base number. So number is 17 and the nearest primary base is 10. So 17 minus 10, which gives you plus 7. So the deviation for 17 is plus 7. Now let's find out the deviation of 19. So the nearest primary base number to 19 is 10. So 19 minus 10, which gives you plus 9 as deviation. Now the number is 8. So the nearest primary base is 10. So 8 minus 10, which gives you minus 2. So the deviation for 8 is minus 2. Now the number is 105. So the nearest primary base to 105 is 100. So 105 minus 100, which gives you plus 5 as deviation. Now the number is 96. So the nearest primary base to 96 is 100. So number minus the nearest primary base number, which gives you minus 4 as deviation. So the deviation for 96 is minus 4. This concept of deviation basically is used in multiplication techniques. I hope you like this video. If you want more such videos, please hit the like, subscribe and share button and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. And please share your suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.